In the first case, I have 8 into 9 over 4 minus 3 over x over y, and that is 9 over 4 minus 3 over 4. 4 here 1, 4 here 2. Then this becomes 2 times 9, that's 18 minus 3. Over this one, the denominator, the LCM here is 4. 4 in 4, 1. 1 times 9, 9. Minus 4 in 4, 1. 1 times this, 3. So automatically I can have 18 minus 3, that's 15. Over 9 minus 3, that's 6 over 4. 2 here 3, 2 here 2. So automatically I can write this back as 15 divided by 3 over 2. Then if I want to express this, I can express it as 15 divided by 3 over 2. When I change this to multiplication, then I'll have 2 over 3. 3 here 1, 3 here 5. So then I'll have 5 times 2. And that automatically gives 10. So the answer to the first question is 10. Then the second question, if x is equal to 2a plus 3 over 3a minus 2, express x minus 1 over 2x plus 1 in terms of a. That means my final answer must have a as a dominant variable. So that's the meaning of that expression. So here, question 2, I've been given a clue that I should let x to be equal to 2a plus 3 over 3a minus 2. Then I have x minus 1 over 2x plus 1. Anywhere I have my x, I will replace it with this expression. This is x. I will have 2a plus 3 over 3a minus 2 minus 1 over 2x. That will be 2 into 2a plus 3 over 3a minus 2 plus 1. So I've succeeded in substituting the value of x into that expression. Now I will solve both as a separate entity in order not to run into confusion. Let this one be a and let this be b. So to handle the first case, which is my a, I have 2a plus 3 over 3a minus 2 minus 1 over 1 as a fraction. Then, what is common here? What is the LCM here? 3a minus 2. 3a minus 2 into 3a minus, that's 1. So 1 into 2a plus 3. 1 into this, I have this. Minus 1 into 3a minus 2. 1 times 2a, 2a. 1 times plus 3, plus 3. Minus times this, minus 3a. Minus 1 times this, plus 2 over 3a minus 2. To simplify this, I have 2a minus 3a, that's minus a, plus 3 plus 2 plus 5 over 3a minus 2. This is my first one, which is my a. Then my b, I have the b part now. I have 2, I can write this as 2 into 2a plus 3 over 3a minus 2 plus 1 over 1. If I open this up, I'll have 4a plus 6 over 3a minus 2 plus 1 over 1. LCM, 3a minus 2. This in this 1 times this 4a plus 6 plus this in this, plus 1 into 3a minus 2. Then automatically, I'll have 4a plus 6 plus 3a minus 2 over 3a minus 2. 4a plus 3a, that gives 7a. Plus 6 minus 2, that gives plus 4 over 3a minus 2. This is my b. To now resolve a over b, what is my a? This is my a. My a is minus a plus 5 over 3a minus 2 divided by 7a plus 4 over 3a minus 2. So automatically I can rewrite this one as minus a plus 5 over 3a minus 2 divided by 7a plus 4 over 3a minus 2. So if I change this division to multiplication, this one will reverse. So we have minus a plus 5 over 3a minus 2 times 3a minus 2 over 7a plus 4. So this can cancel this. Then I'll have minus a plus 5 over 7a plus 4, which I can write as the final, on the final note as minus a minus 5 in the brackets. Then I'll have 7a plus 4. So the answer can either be this or this. Can be this or this. Solve these three questions in figure 1.3 to agitate your mind on substitution fractions. Substitution in fractions. Now, we have figure 1.3b and we have three questions. This question is designed for equation with fraction, which will be solved in the later part. But our objective now is to provide solutions to these three questions. We are asked to simplify the first one. In the case of this first one, we have 3m n over, if you look at what you have here, 2 is a factor to these two terms. So we can bring the 2 out. So we'll be left with m squared plus n squared. Plus 5mn. Then, if you look at this also, we discover that 3 is a factor of these two terms. You can bring the 3 out again, m squared plus n squared. Now, our objective now is to factorize the denominator. So, if you want to factorize the denominator will definitely be, we look for the LCM. So, the LCM here will definitely be 6m squared plus n squared. That would be our LCM. So 6m squared plus n squared. How many of these are we going to see here? This cancel this, then we have 3. So 3 into 3mn plus this in this, we have 2. 2 into 5mn. So we can resolve this where we're going to have 3 times this, 9mn plus 10mn over 6 into m squared plus n squared. Then at the end, this one will definitely be 19mn over 6 into m squared plus n squared. So we have succeeded in simplifying the first expression. In the second case, we have if x over y is equal to 3 over 4, evaluate 2x minus y over 2x plus y. So automatically this one is not different from the one we saw previously. So by employing that same method, we divide this expression by y. If we divide this expression by y, we are going to have 2x over y plus minus 1, that's y over y, over 2x over y plus 1. And since a value has been given for our x over y, which is 3 over 4, so anywhere we see x over y, we replace it with 2 and with 3 over 4. So to simplify this, we are going to have 2 into 3 over 4 minus 1 over 2 into 3 over 4 plus 1. 2 here 1, 2 here 2. So we have 3 over 2 minus 1 over 2 here 2, 2 here 1. Then we'll have 3 over 2